Yeah, please.
Okay. So, welcome everyone. My name is Dr. Manisha Jain. By profession, I am a professor of mathematics in Vellore Institute of Technology. Besides that, I am a community healer. I am a tarot card reader. I am Akashic healing reader also. And I am genetic brain profile consultant and counselor also. So, I welcome you all in this session. Today's topic is simple but important exercises which makes our life miracle. Okay, so uh, sometimes we always feel that extraordinary work will pay something in our life. Okay, कभी कभी हमें लगता है अपनी जिंदगी में कि कुछ हम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी करेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ जो है वो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी हो जाएगी, बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू. Simple things can change, or simple things can make our life miraculous and wonderful. How? Yesterday I was just walking with my friend. I was on morning walk, and we were just discussing our last. We were just assessing our last 5 years. So we were just thinking about, we were holding very important posts in the university. He was head of the department from last 20 years. I was head of the department from last 10 years. We worked a lot for the students. We worked lot for the university. But now, from last 3 years, we were just holding very simple and very, general posts. We are not at all on the, top posts, top designations. So we were just thinking, we were just comparing ourselves, our 5 years back journey of life and now recent journey of life. What we gained and what we missed. So what we gained, lots of power. We gained lots of popularity. Yes, she is very intelligent. She is very good administrative and so on. But what I missed motherhood. I missed quality time with the family. So at the workplace, I was very good. My friend was also very good. But at home, we are not at all that much of paying, because it's very difficult to manage workplace and that is a family place. Yes, it happens always. So when we got we had no designation at this time. So we are enjoying a life very, nicely. We are near to our heart. We are spending lots of time for learning lots of good things. Now, when we are on that particular, that hardship period, we are missing lots of things. This is happening with the people, every people. ये होता है कि हम जब एक तरफ बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं तो हम अपने बारे में भूल जाते हैं. सब कुछ वहीं ऐसे लगता है कि हमको वहीं देना है. Simplicity क्या होती है हम भूल जाते हैं. We are missing what is simplicity. So sometimes it's really important to be simple. It's not necessarily that sometimes we are running behind for an example, I'm just talking about myself. We are just running behind the fascinating things. I will do this, I will do that. For an example, when I had earlier, my weight was 70 kg. And yesterday itself, when I was seeing my pictures, so myself and my husband and my daughter, we were laughing. Mama was, laughing Buddha. But now, and that time I have joined lots of, I have spent lots of money for the gym and all these things. Near about, I think 50-70,000 I have spent. But I didn't get any result. मुझे कोई result नहीं मिला, frankly speaking. क्योंकि if I am having any problem or anybody is having any physical problem, then what is the cause of the problem? Without knowing that, we are just running behind the doctor, we are just running behind everybody. उसने बोल दिया कि हाँ आज आप इस डॉक्टर को दिखा दो, आज आपको शुगर लेवल ज्यादा है, आपको हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम है, आपको कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ गया है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम बट वी आर रनिंग बिहाइंड द डॉक्टर्स विदाउट नोइंग द कॉज. And all the remedies are with us. All the remedies are with us. So, आज we will talk about that particular remedies. As we know that our entire body, we have lots of meridian points. So whatever is outside, you can see everything is inside. If you can see the globe, what you will see? You will see the partition line between the countries, between the continents. You will find their meridians, you will find their equator. So everything, because our body, the globe is just like our body. Okay, so earth is, that is, we are on the earth, so it is an earth element, but our body, the physical body, is also an earth element. So we will first, if the meridian points of the earth will be disturbed, everything will be disturbed. If the axis of that, the earth where it is rotating, it is disturbed, everything is disturbed. And the same happening with our body also. वो same हमारी चीज में होता है. हम Osho always says ना कि केंद्र की तरफ जाओ. Osho always says कि go to your center point. Okay, being a life person, living your life, how you can be at your center. So in today's session, we will learn how we have to clean up our meridian points and clean up our center. Okay, so now, first of all, see, I'm talking about the blood circulation. Okay, how we can increase the blood circulation? Very simple exercise. It is a proverb in Hindi, apna haath Jagannath. It means what? Our hand is everything. Our hand is everything. 1 minute, I am just. So what we have to do now, in our hands, all the meridian points are in our hand. So first of all, and leg. Okay, so two things, whatever meridian points, whatever, for an example, I'm talking about, this is fire element. This is fire element. This is space element. This is earth element. Okay, this is space element. Okay, this is space element. This is water element. Okay, so all the elements are in our hand. And all the grahas, all the planets, 9 planets are in our hand. What we have to do now, and the same position we have on the foot also, and all the internal organ also in our hand. For an example, this is the position of lungs. These are the position of lungs, and the center one is the position of heart. Okay, this is the position of our head. Okay, and this two things are our legs. Okay, this is the position of our legs, and these two positions, since the distance between the shoulder is more than the distance between the legs, so these two positions are this shoulder. So, and the center point is our intestine. So lots of things are in our hand. So what we have to do now, we cannot press everything, we cannot energize everything. So what you have to do, please do it with me. हमको क्या करना है, चेयर पे बैठना है. Okay, and make sure your legs are touching on the floor. Okay, now start tapping your legs. ऐसे start tapping, and while tapping you have to just tap. While do this thing, close your eyes and do this thing. So what will happen? And it is a report. It's a research report which I am discussing with you. It is a Chinese practice. Okay. So Chinese and Japanese practice. So in this report, they have quoted, they have worked on with the heart patient, diabetic patient. They have quoted that if we will do this in the morning, 5 to 7 minutes, and before sleeping, 5 to 10 minutes, our all the blood arteries will be opened up. Okay, and see the change. You have done this. Just close your eyes and see that you are having vibration in all over your body. Just see it. देखो अपने पूरे body में vibration, especially calf. It is very miraculous thing that in our calf and the back, if that is most of the stuck energy, most of the emotions, whether it is positive emotions or negative emotions, it is a storehouse. Okay, it is a storehouse. So when you will release that energy from your calf, from your thighs, and simultaneously what you are doing, you are just clapping. Clapping means you are balancing your all 5 elements. You are balancing your internal organs also. You are pressing them. Okay, these are the pressure points. When you are doing this, so क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? When you will open up something, the positive energy will go inside, and you will feel that yes, something is happening inside, but it is not visible. When it will be visible? When if somebody is having heart problem or any diabetic problem or any physical problem, and if before 15 days, if he has done with his all pathological test, then after when he will do this, definitely some changes will be there. I'm not at all saying that stop medication and all these things, but with medication, we have to follow these small exercises also. So please, I just want to know, after doing this, what do you feel? Are you feeling something which you didn't feel earlier? That is before 5 to 7 minutes when I have started session. And after this exercise, have you felt anything? Please let me know. So I will go with other very small exercise. Just give me a thumb. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kailashji. Now, second exercise, tingling. Yes, yes. So keep on doing this, because when the energies are stuck there, so we have to release, because calf muscles are the most dense muscle, and our back muscles, especially on the thighs, okay, and hips. So these are the storehouse of everything, fat. If you can see that. What is obesity? You will not feel obesity on your shoulder. You will always feel the obesity on your back or your thighs, on the calf muscles. And everything, because the flow of energy, we say that flow of energy from top to bottom. It's very, and the blood flow also, the gravitational force is also towards the top to bottom. So what we are doing this, when we are tapping our body, when we are tapping legs and hands, we are clapping, vibrational field is there. Okay, because if we know little bit about the quantum theory says that everything is energy. Okay, everything is energy. Until unless ball is lying on the floor, it is ball. Okay, it is in the stable condition. But when we will push the ball, what will happen? We are just giving an extra force on the ball. It will start moving. Similarly, our calf muscles are resting. Until unless you will not push them to work, they will not work. Okay, because we are sending signals to each and every particle of our body, each and every organ of our body, each and every cell of our body. Everyone has seen chip. Everyone has nowadays mobile. Okay, and what is the SIM card or the memory card? It is a storage house. Likewise, जो हमारा दिमाग होता है, हमारा जो body होती है, we have millions and trillions of cells, and every cell is having its own memory. See, 256 GB, 356. Nowadays, we are saying that 8 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM. What is this? These are the storehouse. So, see, God has given, Cosmos has given us lots of memory cards, lots and lots of memory cards. And everything, whatever we are seeing, whatever we are experiencing, everything is storing at that particular memory card. Okay. And it's just like a cloud. जैसे आपने क्लाउड में आपने कुछ भी एक फोटो भी लेता है ना हम कैमरे से, तो आपको लगता है कि आपने वो मेमोरी कार्ड से डिलीट कर दी, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू. इट इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द लोकल डिवाइस, बट इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द क्लाउड. ओके, तो वॉट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग, वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग, हमें लग रहा है कि हमने वो क्लीन कर दिया अपने मेमोरी से, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू. ये कहाँ स्टोर होता है? इट इज स्टोर्ड इन द क्लाउड. Okay, so now we are moving towards the second exercise. अब उसमें क्या करने का है हमको? Second exercise में just stand up. Very simple exercise. Now make the cup like this. Okay, cupping, and then second, this is our elbow, and just front side of the elbow. We will tap, and we will do 3 exercises together. We will tap our foot also. So tapping our foot, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 times, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why we are doing this? Because all the heart muscles, okay, heart vessels, and blood vessels will passing through this particular point. I have already discussed, पहले भी मैंने बताया था कि nails, why God has given us nails here? Because all the blood vessels are turning from this point. Okay, so this is the turning point. आपने देखा होगा whenever we are having cut on our tip of the finger, मैक्सिमम ब्लड लॉस हमको यहीं से होता है. ठीक है, तभी जब पैथोलॉजिकल टेस्ट होते हैं तो वहां कहाँ से ब्लड लेते हैं? वी हैव टू यूज ब्लड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर टिप पॉइंट. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. ओके, सो वी विल डू दिस 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just raise your hand and underarms. Okay, underarm is very, very important part. Okay, and here also maximum storage memories, maximum blood vessels, or you can say veins, everything. Okay, from passing from here also, and we are having lots of meridian points here also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So please keep on doing this, and you feel that when you have started that, what was your level of energy? Now see what is your level of energy at present. Okay, and it is a research. If we can do these exercises, first leg tapping with clapping, Second, on this in standing position, just start jumping your body, okay, and tap here, underarms, okay. These exercises, these practices are very, very important for the healthy heart, healthy brain, okay. And after this, I'm showing you how we can activate our neurons, okay. And this exercise, they are this practices, the researchers and especially medical practitioners, they are working with the autistic patients, okay. And it is a part of their daily routine and it is a part of their daily exercises, okay. तो जो मैं एक्सरसाइज बताने वाली हूँ वो हम अपने बॉडी के न्यूरॉन्स को कैसे ज्यादा पावरफुल बना सकते हैं. मैं अभी 5-6 दिन पहले एक वीडियो देख रही थी, सदगुरु का वीडियो था. इट इज अ वीडियो ऑफ सदगुरु. He was talking about the spine, and he was saying in this video, in our spine is a memory house. Spine is a storehouse of all the memories, okay. And the vein which is the brain vein is directly connected with our spine. हमारी जो brain की vein होती है वो directly spine से connected होती है. So what is very important, we have to we should not sit like this. Never sit like this, okay. Always sit like this. Always sit like this, straight, okay. It should be in our practice. Our shoulder should be, straight shoulder. Yeah, if you are doing something, then it's okay. But we have to take care of our spine also, okay. And how we can increase life force in our spine, okay. Because everything is all the chakras are on the spine. सारे चक्रास जो होते हैं वो स्पाइन में होते हैं, तो हमको उसको भी एक्टिवेट रखना है. बिकॉज चक्रास क्या है, हमारे स्विच सर्किट, स्विच पॉइंट्स. चक्रास आ रहा था switches. So what do we have to do now? 2 to 3 exercises we will do. Just hold your left ear with the right hand. जैसे in the childhood ना teachers बोलते थे मुर्गा बन जाओ. Then now we will be having a like this position, okay. Be this position and hold your this. If you can see that, if you can see this ear, you can see that child in the womb, okay, the kid in the baby in the womb. If the position of womb in the baby is like this, so this is our baby. And what we have to do now, like in when any mother is pregnant, okay, what she is doing, she always takes care of our child womb. So this is our child, okay, everything is there. So we have to press it nicely and then hold it and then stand, and then we will do some exercises like we have to hold it and then sit and then stand, then sit and then stand, like this. So it is very important exercise to activate our brain cells, okay. So if you are not able to sit and stand, if you are having any back issues and something, anything, so what you have to do now? Here we will use Osho's technique, okay. Osho says that if you are not able to exercise, what you have to do now? Just close your eyes and hold it and imagine you are sitting and standing. You are sitting and standing because we have to train our neurons only. जैसे हमने अपने न्यूरॉन की प्रोग्रामिंग की, yes, I am running, तो neuron will start behaving like that. Yes, it is activated. We are running. Okay, in the same position, we can think that yes, we are standing, sitting, standing, sitting. Yes, standing and sitting, standing and sitting, standing and sitting, standing and sitting, standing and sitting. See, you will, when you will open your eyes and you will see, it will, your body will behaving like, your body will start behaving like, it's really we are doing some exercises, because it's a matter of programming of brain cells and nothing. Okay. So this is another exercise. And now, and then you have to sit like that and then stretch your body and stretch your spine. Close your eyes and feel the stress as much as you can. And then left bend and then side bend. Back. So stretching exercises are very important, and it's 1 minute only. I'm just so these are very important exercises. And apart from that, what we can do now, we can directly store chi energy. What is chi energy? Chi energy is a life force energy. So now we will do 5-minute practice for the chi, how we can call chi energies, and as and when it is required, how we can utilize this chi energies. So now in this session, we will learn, इस सेशन में हम लर्न करेंगे कि कैसे हम अपनी ची एनर्जी, कॉस्मोस में जो एनर्जीज है, बिकॉज वी आर मैग्नेट, है ना, हमारा शरीर जो है वो मैग्नेट है, हम जिस चीज को भी बुलाएंगे दैट विल कम. अवर बॉडी इज लाइक अ मैग्नेट. सो वॉट एवर वी विल अट्रैक्ट, इट विल, अवर बॉडी विल get attracted. Okay, our magnet, because we are having electromagnetic field also in our body and are surrounded by our body also. Okay, so just close your eyes and we will learn how we can store chi energy in our body. And when we want to utilize it, suppose we are feeling very low, we are feeling very depressed, anxiety is there, so we can immediately call the chi energy and we can utilize this chi energy. Okay, this is a technique, Japanese technique. So please close your eyes and give your 100%. Okay, give your 100%. This is my request. Close your eyes. Breathe in. While breathing, your belly is expanded. And breathe out, your belly is contracting. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in with the positivity and breathe out. Be with you, be with ourselves. Drop all the emotions. Drop all the responsibilities. Make sure your shoulder is relaxed. Now, your palm, keep your palm on your lap and the open palm, and the direction is upward direction towards the sky, and make some gaps between the fingers also. Okay, now imagine each and every part of our body, each and every cell of our body is open. And our head is having invisible antenna. It will catch the energy, cosmos energy. Just program yourself, program your body. Now, feel the gap between the cells. We are having Lots and lots of cells. We are having organs. Feel the gap between your cells. Feel the gap between the blood vessels. Feel the gap between molecules. हमारे बॉडी में जितने भी अंदरूनी पार्ट्स हैं, सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ एक स्पेस होता है. Just feel that space. Feel that space. Be with this space. Now look at your head particles, head cells, head neurons, everything. Look at the each and every cell. Hair, forehead, nose, eyes, mouth, tongue, cheeks, chin, throat, and feel the space also. We have space between nose and mouth. We have space between nose and ear. Feel that space. Ear, shoulder, right hand. Look at your palm. Look at your fingers. We have space between the fingers. Look at the molecule structure of your palm. We have space between the molecules also. Now, look at your left hand. Look at the distance between fingers. Look at the space between fingers. Look at your palm, molecules, and you are having space between the molecules. Very tiny space. Heart, both the lungs, ribs, kidney, intestine, pancreas, stomach, liver, and lots of fluid in the form of chemicals, in the form of blood is flowing in our body. And these liquid is also having molecules. Feel the flow of blood. Feel blood vessels and how blood is flowing. How our heart is pumping. Feel the space between the filters. Now feel the backside. Feel spine. Feel the gap and the space between the vertebrae. T1, T2, T3, T4, L1, L2, L3. and feel the gap between the cells also. On your back, left back, right back, upper back, middle back, lower back. Feel your thighs. Feel each and every cell of your thighs and the gap between, the space between. Knees, calf, ankle, and foot. And the gap between the fingers of the foot also. Now you are ready to access chi energy. Now imagine you are breathing cosmic energy through your antenna, and energy is filling through the space of your each and every part of organ, body organ, and space between the cells. Energy is flowing when you are inhaling. Energy is flowing and storing in the spine's memory, and 3 inches back from the navel center. जो आपकी नाभि है उससे 3 इंच थोड़ा सा टुवर्ड्स पेट की तरफ जाए, वहां पे एक एनर्जी पॉइंट होता है, वहां वो स्टोर हो रही है. इट इज स्टोरिंग देयर just behind the 3 inches back from the navel center. Again, inhale and feel the chi energy is storing, and your entire body is working together to store the energy, and the gaps between the cells, gap between the organs, wherever you can find gap, it is storing there. पूरा शरीर जो है एनर्जी स्टोर हाउस हो गया. Entire body is energy storehouse. So now focus on your exhalation. When you're exhaling all the stale energy, जो भी दूषित energy है, negative energy है, it is coming out from our body in the form of smoke. धुएं के रूप में पूरी negative energy बाहर निकल रही है, and it is going towards the sky, and it is emerging in the dead point or end point of the sky. वो उस पोजीशन पे जाके खत्म हो रही है जहां पे आकाश का एंड पॉइंट है. Just feel the cycle. When we are inhaling all the positive energies from the cosmos, and it is storing, and simultaneously stale energy, negative energy is coming out from our body. जब नेगेटिव एनर्जी शरीर से बाहर जाएगी तभी हम ज्यादा रिसेप्टिव होंगे. When the negative energy will go out, we will be more receptive. Now, you can store as much as you can. Feel the miracle of the energy. Everywhere is energy. Every cell is vibrating. All the blood vessels are vibrating. Feel the flow of blood. I can feel that my blood is flowing with all the masti. सारे particles बहुत enjoy करते हुए flow हो रहे हैं. All the particles of my blood is enjoying. All the molecules of my blood is enjoying. I can hear the sound of vibration also. Offer your gratitude to the universe. Offer your gratitude to your master. Offer your gratitude to the environment where you are living. Offer your gratitude to each and every part of your body from head to toe. Be in love with this. Feel your blissfulness. Now rub your hands and touch your eyes, head. I hope that we all are feeling the difference between the previous energy and the energy which we have inhaled. Thank you so much, everyone. So this is our powerhouse. Our body is the powerhouse, and our each and every cell is powerhouse. So it is our, it is our ATM. So as and when it is required, we can take the energy from our powerhouse. But we have to again store it. The storing is meditation, and small practices can change our life miraculously. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask. And thank you so much for being with me.